We're shooting with the Insta360 Luna Ultra, and we see a brand new cop car, Mustang, no longer a white car. We'll try to get a close-up shot, slowing on the zoom with firmware. We're shooting today with the Insta360 Luna Ultra with the official firmware 1.0. And we have, here is EV value on the negative 1.0.
Police.
We all look at the accident, 3-car accident. I couldn't pass up 379 gas. As we head on to Lazy Boy, the road is not that empty, but it's empty. We've been to Lazy Boys, Ashley's and Raymore and Flanagan. I think it's time to go to Adventureland. As we get closer to the rides, we'll see what it looks like. They had that fireball, or was it a ride that broke down that they had to fix? It was over here.
Here they go.
They're swinging and swinging. We're heading out of Giuseppe's. We're gonna go supermarket shopping. So as we head on to the supermarket ShopRite on the nice Northern State Parkway Road. We got an officer and a vehicle pulled over, but still slow traffic. All right, another officer hiding behind a sign, a tree. That's why. Nice crash.
All the way.
We're moving.
Shush, look at the
We're
traffic.
moving on a parkway.
Now they're all going out to the island. They're all going to the Hamptons.